necessary kit.
We got real films. Check. Thank goodness for I know, it's the trouble, isn't it? We've got the whole afternoon. It takes
We've got a huge number of weaknesses, mostly because none of them have ever played cricket before, and if they have, they didn't play it since they were 8 or thereabouts, so I'm a little bit worried, but we have got a secret weapon.
Well, the tide is going out and we're looking for the highest piece of ground, reasonable flat ground, that we can find that we can play cricket on.
Well, actually, they're drying out rather quickly. The biggest problem we have right now is someone forgot to bring all the gear.
There you go. It's a setup.
Right.
Hang on, bro.
Don't say that. Oh, yeah, well done. I wonder where you were.
Where's your record? Down here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
I'm running on the way to
Yeah, put it there. All right. That's 20 yards. Yeah, that's perfect.
Heads.
tails.
We will feel.
You would feel. Righty-ho.
We will bat.
You will bat. Island Sailing Club will bat. Right. Whose pound is
Fielding.
Okay. Well,
Can you bowl?
yeah.
Right,
I
good.
can have a go.
And third bowler.
Beautiful evening here on the Bramble Bank. As always, looking for a little hard movement off the seam here, trying to avoid the big puddles. We've only got 5 overs, so we've got to make the most of every over, be very concise and keep it tight, and that's what the Southern we've been talking about for the last few days.
It's these computers, you see, they keep jamming, they keep crashing, these computers.
What happened to my wife? Anybody know where she went?
What a great match, eh?
Again, a wonderful, wonderful game of cricket played in the best atmosphere known.
It has helped because it was a very short match due to the tide coming in. Many of the team are still out there on the bank, and I'm very fearful for their safety.
This is Alan Cleaver from the Hampshire Chronicle, phoning in the Bramble cricket match report. And the Southern Yacht Club got in at the deep end, but they soon managed to swim out of trouble. A rather waterlogged pitch. The Isle of Wight team are still in the nets at the moment, but they're coming out fine. But there's something fishy going on here. I think there's some real sharks out there, and we're awaiting the result with interest. This is Alan Cleaver saying goodbye. Goodbye.